Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, how are you today? I hope you guys are happy and healthy today. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Amna Hanina, and now I'm in the 8th grade of Bilingual Junior High School. And now guys, I want to tell you guys a story about one of Wali in Java. It's specifically in Gresik, is Java Island. So, let's get started. Belambangan, there was a name of the kingdom who ruled by King Sembuyu. And you know guys, King Sembuyu had a wife and a beautiful daughter named Dewi Sekardadu. One day, Dewi Sekardadu goes to the forest. She wants some fruit to eat at lunch, but she got bitten by a stranger animal. Ah! Don't bite me! Don't bite my beautiful skin! It's hurt! Go away! Just go away! After that, Deus Kadadu got a stranger illness that everyone can cure it. Then the king said, and now to all people in this country, whoever can cure my daughter, I will give you the prize. A lot of people come to the palace, but no one can cure it. Until the day that Ishaq came to the palace and said to the king, Your Majesty, I will cure the princess. Please for me. Then after that, Ishaq take a wudu and do it pray. And after that, he cured the princess, and the princess' illness was disappear after that. And the princess wake up and look at the mirror. Oh my God! My beautiful face! My beautiful face is coming! Thanks, Ishaq. As the king promised, Ishaq and Dewi Kadadu got married after that. Guys, how sweet is that? Here news, Majapahit Bajul Senggara was jealous of it. Who is he? Who is man? A man like him? Born a princess? No, it can't be happen. He must die. He must destroy it. Then he said to the king that Ishaq and Dewi Kadadu must be separated because Ishaq will destroy the palace. 2 months after her husband left, Dewi Kadadu gave a birth of a beautiful baby boy. Here news again, Majapahit Bajul Senggara was angry and used this accident as an opportunity to break their happiness. He said to the king, Your Majesty, according to a famous shaman of the country, your grandson is going to destroy the palace, soon or later. The king was afraid and confused about it. He go to Dewi Kadadu and saw Dewi Kadadu was by the baby. Lavender green, the little lavender blue. When I am clean, the little you'll be mine. Oh, my daughter, I really miss my grandson so much. Can I have it? Of course, Papa. Here is it. Then the bad idea came to the king's mind. He called the servant. Hey, servant, come here. Yes, Your Majesty. Throw this baby to the ocean right now, or you will die. Oh my gosh, Your Majesty, how can I throw this beautiful little baby boy to the ocean? Just do it right now. Then Dewi Kadadu was confused. Where is and was? He asked the king, Papa, where's my son? Then the king was confused and said to Dewi Kadadu, I don't know. Where's my grandson was? I put him to her box. Then Dewi Kadadu was confused and screamed, Oh my God, Papa, my son, my secretly said to the leader of the servant, "Hey, you, don't even try to find my grandson, or you will die." And then the servant, waiting for a flashing stick. As soon as he saw one, he rolls the chest and throw away the baby. And the baby was found by Nyi Ageng Pinati, a wealthy businesswoman in Gresik. Oh my God! How beautiful baby boy! How beautiful is baby boy! Now I named you Joko Samudro. Then President Ambel suggested Nyi Ageng Pinati change the name from Joko Samudro to Raden Paku, so that the name would not remind him to the story when he was a baby he thrown into the ocean by the king. At age 16, Raden Paku was told by Sunan Ambel to go to the Pasai. And you know guys, at the Pasai, he met her father again. And after that, he found a pesantren located at the highline to make him earn a nickname Sunan Giri. So that's all my story. By the way guys, what you can learn from the story? Maybe what you can learn from the story is about don't be affectionate. So that's all my performance. I hope you guys are enjoyed. Sorry if I make any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.